Welcome to Trading Psychology Journal. If you've ever searched for day trading for beginners, you've probably found yourself lost in a jungle of strategies, gurus, and promises of easy money. But today, we're not chasing illusions. We're here to uncover the truth. The difference between day trading and swing trading, and which one truly fits you. Because in the end, trading isn't just about charts or profits. It's about who you become in front of them. Let's start with the core idea. Day trading. Day trading is the art of entering and exiting trades within a single day. No overnight risks. No waiting for days or weeks. You live and die by the market's heartbeat. Every tick, every candle, every sudden move. Let's start with the core idea. Day trading. Day trading is the art of entering and exiting trades within a single day. No overnight risks, no waiting for days or weeks. You live and die by the market's heartbeat. Every tick, every candle, every sudden move. Most beginners are drawn to day trading because it feels alive, fast, powerful, thrilling. You can see results today. Wins and losses arrive in hours, not months. But let's get real. Day trading isn't about luck or excitement, it's about discipline, the emotional control, and the ability to focus under pressure. When you learn how to day trade, you're not just learning how to click buy and sell, you're learning how to manage your reactions when fear hits, when greed whispers, when the market moves against you. Now let's talk about swing trading. Swing trading takes a slower, calmer approach. You might hold a position for days or weeks, following the trend like a surfer riding a wave. It's less intense, and it allows you to analyze the market with more time and less stress. Many beginners start with swing trading because it seems easier. You don't have to stare at screens all day, you avoid some of the noise, and you can combine it with a full-time job. But here's the truth. Both day trading and swing trading demand mastery. Both can destroy you if you approach them without patience, risk management, and a clear plan. So, which one is better for beginners? Let's break it down. If you crave action, if you love analyzing short-term moves, watching the price react minute by minute, then day trading might be your path. But if you prefer to think long-term, to let your trades breathe, and you're not ready for intense emotional battles every day, swing trading might suit you better. Still, most traders fail not because they choose the wrong style, but because they never learn who they are. When you start day trading for beginners, it's easy to think, I just need a good strategy. But strategy is only 20%. The other 80% is psychology. Think about it. When you lose 3 trades in a row, what happens inside your mind? Do you feel anger, fear, the urge to double down? That reaction, not the chart, decides your future as a day trader. The difference between a professional and a beginner isn't knowledge, it's how they handle chaos. Professionals accept losses as part of the game. Beginners chase revenge trades. Professionals follow a plan. Beginners follow emotion. That's why I created Trading Psychology Journal, to help you understand that before you master trading, you must master yourself. Let's talk about different markets. Day trading crypto offers 24/7 opportunities. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and countless altcoins moving every hour. It's volatile, fast, and full of energy. If you want constant action, learning how to trade crypto can be thrilling. But crypto doesn't sleep. And neither will your mind if you're not careful. The constant movement can make you addicted to charts. The trick? Set rules. Define your hours. Treat it like a job, not a casino. Then there's day trading forex. The currency markets. The world's most liquid market, moving trillions daily. It's perfect for those who love patterns, global news, and macro trends. If you learn how to trade forex, you're entering a world where patience and timing are everything. And of course, day trading stocks, the classic battlefield. Companies rise and fall every day, news hits, prices explode. Learning how to trade stocks means learning how to read human emotion on a chart. Fear, greed, optimism, panic, all playing out in real time. But regardless of whether you trade crypto, forex, or stocks, the rules are the same. Risk small, learn big, never risk what you can't afford to lose. Focus on learning, not earning. Protect your mindset. Most traders quit because they lose confidence, not money. Confidence is your true capital. Trade less, observe more. Every click of the mouse should be deliberate. Don't trade because you're bored. Trade because your plan tells you to. Detach from results. Your goal isn't to win every trade. We're doing or buying britzkers. With the bimes execute with precision and calm. Reflect daily. Write down your emotions after each session. Your trading journal is more valuable than any indicator. If you want to know how to day trade for beginners, start by watching the market. Not trading it. Sit in front of the screen for a week without opening a position, watch how the price breathes, how it tricks people, how it repeats its patterns. This is how you build intuition. Not from books, but from observation. When you finally enter a trade, it should feel calm, not desperate. The best trades often feel boring, not exciting. Let's visualize it for a moment. It's 9:30 a.m. The market opens. Your heart races. You've planned this trade for hours. The setup appears. Perfect. You click buy. The price moves in your favor. For a second you feel unstoppable. Then suddenly, reversal. Red candle. Panic. You freeze. Do you exit early or hold on? Do you trust your stop loss? This moment, this storm inside your chest, is where 90% of beginners lose. Not because of the market, but because they lose themselves. That's why mastering your emotions is the ultimate skill in day trading. Let's look at the psychological difference between the two styles. Day trading is like martial arts. It demands lightning-fast reactions, emotional balance, and the ability to recover instantly from a mistake. Swing trading is more like chess. You plan, you wait, and you let the game unfold slowly. One tests your focus, the other tests your patience. But in both, you're battling your own mind. Some beginners think, once I learn the best strategy, I'll finally make money. But here's a truth that few admit. The market doesn't reward intelligence, it rewards discipline. You can be a genius and still lose everything if you lack control. You can be an average person and still win if you master consistency. That's the paradox of trading. The less emotional you are, the more profitable you become. So, which is best for beginners? If you want to build fast skills, develop mental strength, and face your emotions head-on, choose day trading. But if your goal is slow growth, long-term learning, and lower emotional pressure, start with swing trading. Both paths can lead to success, but both demand respect. Trading isn't a game, it's a mirror that shows who you really are. In the end, no matter which you choose, remember this. It's not about how to day trade, how to trade crypto, or how to trade forex. It's about becoming the kind of person who can survive the storm, calm, aware, unshaken. Because every great trader started exactly where you are now, uncertain, curious, and searching for truth. And one day when you've gone through enough chaos, enough pain, enough lessons, and you'll realize something powerful. You weren't just learning to trade the market, you were learning to trade yourself. Thank you for listening.